Even if your boss is not Michael Scott and you do not sit next to Dwight Schrute, the office can be more like the office than you would like it to be. How then do you have an intelligent conversation with the Michael Scotts or the Dwight Schrutes of the business world in a cool, calm, and collected way? Today, I will be discussing ways in which you can have a difficult conversation in the workplace. Before we delve into difficult conversations, let us examine some statistics concerning what may happen as a result of avoiding that awkward encounter. Employees in the United States spend an average of 2.8 hours every week dealing with conflict in the workplace, according to a 2008 survey done by CPP. The same study declared that approximately 33% of employees were involved in conflicts that resulted in personal injury, and 22% suffer from illness or absence from work as a result of conflict. It is the goal of this video to reduce conflict in the workplace by promoting discussion among employees. Let's discuss how to have a difficult conversation in the workplace. There are certain things to be aware of before you begin this difficult conversation. First, you must find the right setting for the discussion. Though it may be tempting, your own office or the hallway is not an appropriate place to have a discussion. In your own office, you are the commander, and this domination may not be appreciated by the other party. Furthermore, a desk is separating the two of you and serves as both a mental and physical barrier. The hallway is certainly not a good place to converse because other employees may overhear, and that is by no means professional. A better place than your own office or the hallway is a conference room. The site is neutral, you have the ability to sit next to the individual, and the chances of someone overhearing has been diminished. It should never be the goal to publicly embarrass anyone. Know your objective. Knowing your objective in the discussion is crucial to success. Have a beginning and an end to the discussion in mind once you commit yourself to the exchange. What is wrong? What do you want to get across? What needs to be done once the conversation is ended? Are these terms negotiable? You need to have answers to each of these questions before you begin airing any grievances, and these answers must be relayed effectively to the second party. Furthermore, schedule a follow-up meeting to ensure that the issue at hand has been remedied. The number one goal of this discussion, other than relaying the problem and offering solutions, should be to preserve the relationship. Assure the second party that what is said between the two of you will remain confidential. Be firm yet polite. Staying as objective as possible allows the second person to understand that the issue at hand is not personal, it is simply business. Staying objective also means managing emotions. Even if the second party has caused you a considerable amount of grief, remain positive and attempt to stay above the fray. Though this person may be causing you irritation now, it is possible that they could save the day at some future time. Oftentimes, Michael Scott and Dwight Schrute can cause you to bang your head against a wall. However, if you remember to find the right setting for the discussion, know your objective, and attempt to preserve the relationship, you will find success at Dunder Mifflin and beyond.